Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. I'm excited. It is Mother's Day tomorrow, and tomorrow is gonna be the 8th of May 2016, which is gonna be Mother's Day in Jamaica and a lot more European country and a lot more state, and also tomorrow gonna be Mother's Day. Some people say it's an international Mother's Day, but we have Mother's Day already in England and it's already gone. But I know for sure that tomorrow gonna be Mother's Day in Jamaica. And I wanna say, if you know your mom in Jamaica, you can write a happy Mother's Day below this video. I did some video quite a few weeks ago about Mother's Day in Jamaica. I did put up a recipe for Mother's Day, but tomorrow we're gonna make something nice for Mother's Day. And we wanna say to every mom who are in this world, if you're not my mom, but you know, from someone else, we want to say happy Mother's Day to you, because we love every mom and we appreciate every mom who bring a child into this world. It is just beautiful and fantastic. So happy Mother's Day to every mother who bring a child into this world. So you say, oh, it's just Mother's Day in Jamaica. No. Some people say every day is Mother's Day, because we love our mom, and we always say to ourselves that mom is the key of everything to us and this earth. So mom, we want to say happy Mother's Day to you in Jamaica and anywhere, any part of the world. And I want to wish you guys to have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself, out the family, cook some lovely dish, get some ideas from Chef Ricardo channel. We got a special dishes from mom. So get a special dishes, get some dessert and some soup ideas and some salad ideas. So guys, have a wonderful time. Mom, we love you. Thank you so much to bring us into this world. I want to say happy Mother's Day. Guys, if you know your mom are in Jamaica or somewhere else, I say please write happy Mother's Day, because this video will be go global and a lot of people gonna see the video and share it. So guys, even share the video, that's other as people can see exactly what we are talking about. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team sending out this video to every mom to tell them happy Mother's Day in Jamaica. One love, peace and happiness from Chef Ricardo and the team working very hard. Happy Mother's Day, happy Mother's Day, happy Mother's Day to every mom. We love you guys and see you next time. Bye bye.